Hi, my name is Salman Amir, and in this video I will show you how to export your After Effects script or Photoshop script into JavaScript binary format and then convert that binary into JavaScript code again, and the code will be encrypted and the script will work just fine for you. So I will use this script code. So as you can see the code of my script and the entire process function, etc. All things you can see. So first I need to convert that script code. First let me show you how the script works. So I am just launching from here, file, script, run script file, and cam tool beta. So as you can see, this script is a JSX format JavaScript file, standard. Open. So as you can see, my script is loaded, and it will work just fine because it's simple wiggle expert that adds some shakiness, and you can add some controllers. So it will just fine. Control Z to undo this process. And now I'm going to convert that script into a binary format, export as binary, and then for the I'm exporting this into an cam tool beta. So it will export that script into JSX format. So if I go again into After Effects and file, script, run script file, and it will not show me the exported binary script. If I hover over in this mouse in this script, and as you can see, the type is showing Adobe JavaScript file, not a binary. So I'm going here to file type to change to Adobe JavaScript binary file. So as you can see, it just loaded that, and if I click on all file format, so it will show me the two. So this one is binary. If I click this, open, and it will just work fine because it decodes the binary code and launch it here. Now if I go to the code, click and open with an extend script toolkit, and launches as the JavaScript. It's binary, but it's okay. So as you can see, it gives me that Jsxbin code. So like you see, this code is makes sense if you look into it, like each element and each line defining some elements or items or functions. And as you can see, this one, the binary form data, it doesn't show you any of the hint what is about the script or anything in this script. So we need to that exported as the JSX again. So like it will work fine for me when I launch it from here, like a file, script file, and it must show me like a JSX format, but to I want to encrypt that code also. Then I'm going to my code, and first you can just put your code. I'm showing you just example. You can just type eval open bracket and double quotes again, and close round bracket, comma. In this you can put your binary data here. You can put this all binary data into here, but if you put that binary data into here, let's see what happens. So control X and put your binary data here. Control V. So as you can see, it doesn't put that binary well into this line, because your binary code should be your multi-line, this string should be into a one line. So how can you do that? You can just go to the end of the each line and press delete to join the line, but it's over like 700, 750, 800 almost lines. So how can you do it like the easy way or fast way? You can just need a notepad plus plus editor for this. The download link for that editor is in the description. You can download that from there. You can just need to control A to select all your binary data, control C to copy that, and then go launching my notepad plus plus and paste it here, control V. So that paste that code as it is, eval and generate, and go to the search tab and go to the replace, control H for the shortcut, and then select check the wrap around and extend /n/r and just backslash and r and replace with comma. So /r means like every line, like multi-line or shifting line into the other line, and replace all. So as you can see, replace all 771 occurrence were replaced in entire file. Again replace all, and then remove the comma and replace all. Then go to slash, type /n and replace all. So as you can see, the /n did this work fine for me, and everything put into one line. So as you can see, no comma or anything, and you can just remove the comma from here, find the comma and leave this, replace with blank and replace all. Replaced all 77 occurrences were replaced in entire file, so the commas are present, and now as you can see, 0 occurrences, so no comma place. And you can just file and save copy as I am pasting here into my music folder, and as new one is good for me, and exporting this has to like JavaScript file, I think JavaScript file, new one, save, and my code is saved. So I'm closing this node plus 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 and no, and I'm launching this file, script, run script file, go to music and all format, new, open. As you can see, it loaded that script, but why this is not showing that? Because I open this into JavaScript and open, as you can see, eval and all thing, the code is encrypted, and launching from here as well as. So this format is JS, so it doesn't load that well in the window. So in view, file name extension, and rename this JSNX, and yes, now it's changed. Now you can launch it from After Effects and it will show you as the JSX format, and the format is also working for you. So in that way you can with the Node++ editor you can join the multi-line string into one line, and your code is protective also. So like this video if you found this useful, and sorry for my English is not good, but I hope you understand everything.